How to verify your email on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to verify your email on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click here and now click this one, settings, and now click account and profile and then click your profile here. And then go down and you will find this one here, verify email address. Click here and then just type the code here, and that's all. And then just click verify, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.